Good evening, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation about um, arrival in discharge port. So from loading port and going to the discharge port, he will have or she will have a consumption of 610 metric tons. So from loading port and going to the discharge port, he's going to consume about 610 metric tons. What will be his drop arrival in discharge port in the consumption of 610 metric tons? Okay, it doesn't say it's fuel oil, diesel oil, or fresh water, but it is presumed that he has consumed about 610 metric tons. Okay, so let's start, guys. I'll start with this one. Okay, so example 4.3, MV Nara is a 4 holds vessel is loaded to her summer mark or summer drop. So that will be his maximum drop or a departure drop of summer drop, and shall sail to discharge port. Okay, so he's going to sail to discharge port. Bunkers, okay, meaning fuel oil, and other consumptions are calculated to 610 metric tons consumption. So bunkers meaning fuel oil, diesel oil, and fresh waters and whatever. What is the drop when she arrives at discharge port? Okay, so what is the summer drop of the vessel of or summer drop? Okay, so the displacement, we take out the displacement. So we go to the hydrostatic table. The capacity, the summer drop displacement is 30,884 metric tons, or the drop of 9.99. So that is a summer drop, okay, or displacement of 30,384. So we go back to the problem. So this will be his departure drop at loading port, or displacement of 0.884, and consumptions, which is 610. So deduct 610 from 30,884. That will be displacement. This will be his arrival at the discharge port. The corresponding drop of this displacement is 9.337. So let's just investigate, guys. Investigate 30274. 30274. We go to the hydrostatic table. Then we go to 30274. 30274. Okay, let's go here. This will be adjust this the other one. 3074. Okay, 30. This is okay. 30274. Is that correct? 30274. 30274. 30274. 30274. 274. Oh, that's not the one. I doubt that one. 20274. Dito. This one. 30274. This one. This one. 30274. Okay. So his drop is 9377. Okay, 9377, which is 9377. Okay, so this will be your arrival in discharge port. Okay, because you have already taken out the consumptions, and your arrival at discharge port with a displacement of 30274, and the corresponding drop is 9.377. Now, there's another alternative solution using the TPC. So the TPC of 9.377 is how much? TPC of 9377, the TPC is 3533, okay? 3533. TPC should be 3546, or of the drop. The drop is 955, I'm sorry. Drop is 955. 955. 9.55. Okay, 955 TPC is 3546, okay? From the drop, the summer drop, okay, summer drop is 9.55. This is your departure at load port. So 9.55, which is the, I'm sorry, which is corresponding to displacement of 30844 is 9.55. So what is the TPC of 9.55 is 3546, which is this one. 3546, 955, TPC is 3546, okay? I hope that's clear. So we go back. So another alternative solution for using TPC. We can have the same figures arriving to this arrival drop by using the TPC, okay? To get the rise, the formula is weight over TPC times 100. So, rise equals, what is your weight? Is 610 over your TPC of 3546, which is this one. Okay, 3546 and times 100, okay? So, multiply 3546 100, that will be 3546, okay, and 610 divided by 3546, that will be 0172 meters. So from this drop of departure in loading port, you subtract it with your rise, then you will have 9378, okay? So I have here I put it in Excel. It's the same. So summer displacement is 30884 with a drop of 9.55, which is the same here. Okay, 9.84 and drop is 9.55. And subtract it with your consumption of 610 metric tons. That will be your arrival at discharge port is 30274, which is 3.377. So 30274, 30274. This will be arrival at discharge port, and that will be 9.337. Okay, I hope that's clear. Then the second alternative solution is using the TPC. The formula is rise equals weight over TPC times 100. So your weight is 610, okay, and over your TPC of 34 This should be 35, how much? 35, 35.46, okay? 35.46, put this 46, and that will be 3546, okay? 3546. Multiply 35.46, that will be 3546. 3546, okay? So divide 3546, is that correct? 3546. 3546. That will be 70. So 3546 was 610 divide 3546. This should be 35, sorry. This should be 3546. It should be 35. So that will be 17, 017. Okay, 0. Divide this by, this is meters. Okay, meters, that will be meters. Okay. So from your summit drop of 955 minus, this should be minus, I'll put this to insert this one, illustration, shape, will be minus, okay? Put this. Subtract this one, 955 minus 0.17, that will be 9.38, will be your arrival at load port, okay? That will be arrival at discharge port, sorry. Okay? Arrival at discharge port of 9.38, which is this one, no? They are the same. Now I have put it in Excel. This is in Excel. Now we will apply this to the program. Take note that the departure drop is 9.55, okay? So we go to the program. Put it here. The departure drop is 9.55, okay? This is departure in load port, okay? Put here 9.55. Forward up is 9.55, okay? So you have main drop is 9.55, and your mid port will also be 9.55. For example, there's no list, and mid starboard is 9.55. Okay, take out this one. So your main drop is 9.55. This border, okay, 9.55. Now your consumption is 610, okay? So we put, what I do, I put here the consumption of 610, okay? And take out this TPC of 3546, which is this one. 3546. This is the TPC of drop of 9.55, which is, show you, TPC is 3546 of the drop of 9.55 from your departure in loading port. So put here 3546.46 equals, okay. So with this consumption of 610, you divide it with 3536 of your TPC. So equals, click this weight, divide it by your TPC, that will be 17.25. You divide this by 100, okay, equals, click, divide it by 100, and that will be 0.17 in meters. So this is 0.17 in meters, okay. This will be in meters, okay. So with your initial drop or departure drop in load port is 9.55, okay. You subtract this one with your rise. This is now your rise, okay. This is your rise. Put it here. Just put it like this. Rise, put it. So subtract, okay. So 9.55 minus 0.17, that will be 9.38, okay. This will be your arrival drop at discharge port, which is this one, okay. 9.738 or 9.38, okay. So what you do, this 9.38, you put it here. That will be equals, for example, click this one, 9.38, and your rise is negative 17, okay. This is negative because you are going to rise, you are consuming bunkers, okay, that's why it's negative. So 9.55 minus 0.17 is 9.38, okay. Now, this program, okay, we'll use this TPC, okay. So TPC, I will use this H12. Put this H12. H12, okay. H12, okay. H12, is that correct? H12, okay. So the formula is, what is the formula? Formula is the weight. To get the weight is, sorry, to get the weight is your K8, which is your K or the rise of 17.17 times your TPC of 3546 times 100, that will be 611, okay. 611.7, okay. This is double check, K8, K and 8, so that will be 17 is your rise, okay, times your TPC of H12, H and 12, that will be 3546 times 100, this will be the value, okay. We'll double check it with the calculator, okay. It's the calculator, that will be 0.17 times 35.46 times 100. I'm sorry, I have to do it again. 0.17 times 35.46 46 times 100, that will be 602. But I'll do it again. The formula is the rise or sinkage times TPC times 100, or that will be, I'll take, bear with me guys, here, this one, I go to documents, simple, that will be Excel, okay. So weight will be sinkage times TPC times 100, okay. That is the formula, sinkage. So sinkage, which is 0.17, this one, times TPC, okay, TPC times 100, okay. So your sinkage is 0.17, which is K8 times TPC. TPC is 12, H12, okay, times 100, and your value is 611.77, okay. But the problem says 610. So we take note guys, if I put 6177 negative 11.77, his mid is 6.937, which is almost 9.38, and sinkage is 173, okay, and he's got here 172 and 9378. I got 9377. So the same, okay. So we use, for example, we use this figure of 610, okay, 610 0. What will be his drop? His drop is 9.377 and 0.173, almost the same, okay. For example, instead of using the fuel oil, we use the cargo, or the cargo, or in cargo holds. So for example, we go now to holds number 2. Take note, we have now this amount, and we discharge in hold number 1, okay, and number 4. Instead of bunker or freshwater, we take out cargo, and we should arrive at the discharge port at even keel, okay, put 0, and what will be to be discharged in 1 and 4. So in number 1, you have to discharge of 248, okay, put 248, make minus because you are going to discharge. So in number 4, you are going to discharge 362. So 362, okay, and your arrival at discharge port is 3938, okay, 938 forward, 938 up, trim 0, and main is 9, almost 938, which is almost the same here, okay, 937 or 938, and program says your main is 9377, and in form number 6, you're going to discharge in number 1 of, this is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights, okay? So in number 1, you discharge 348, you have your LCG, and number 4 hold, you discharge 362, and you have your LCG. And your departure, arrival at discharge port will be 938 forward, 938 up, 0 trim, and your main is almost 938, and you have a 0 deflection. So we go to try the trim table. You have your discharge cargo of negative 610. This is your initial drop of 955 even keel, and you put here your forward correction for hold number 1, put your up correction for hold number 1, and forward correction for hold number 4, and up correction for hold number 4. After applying this correction, forward and up, your departure arrival drop at discharge port will be 9.38 even keel. Okay, 0 deflection. Now there's another solution here. Okay. First, you're going to discharge in number 4. This is the reverse. This should be, if you are loading, you have to load in number 4 so that you have a good trim, and then you load in number 1. But since we are going to discharge cargo, I haven't changed this sequence. We'll just follow this one, for example. So you discharge in hold number 4 of 362, which is this one. The forward correction is 1.9, 1.9. Up correction is 7.1, 7.1. In number 1, you discharge 248. You have 248 here. Your correction is 4.2. 4.2 here, and up correction is negative 3.4. Okay? Now, this is your initial drop of 955, departure in loading port. After you completed discharge in hold number 4 of 362, this will be your initial drop of 948 forward and 9.29 up. So you are now trimmed by the head because you are discharging in number 4. Now once you have completed discharge in number 4, you discharge in number 1 of 248 metric tons. After discharging this cargo, then you will have now an even keel of 9.38 forward and 9.38 up, 0 trim, and main is 9.38, and you will have 0 deflection. Okay, so you have now 3 programs. The form 6, trims to holes, trim by table. Then we have the fourth one, which is this one, how to find draft trim when handling weights involving large changes in drag. This should be form 7. This is this one, but I use this copy program. So you have, for example, your density is 1.025 in discharge port, and your density at arrival port will also be 1.025. Okay, so you put your initial drop of 9.55 or your summer drop of forward and up drop of 9.55, which is the summer drop. Now you fill in your what you are going to discharge in number 1. So in number 1, you're going to discharge 248. Okay, 248. So put here 248. It's negative because you're going to discharge 8. And number 4, that will be 362. 362. Put here 362. 362. Ay, negative 362. Okay? Correct? 362. So what will be your arrival drop at discharge port? Do you have here, your main is almost 938, and your arrival drop at discharge port is almost even keel or forward of 9.38, 9.37, and 9.38. Zero trim and zero deflection. So this is as good as even keel. Okay, so let's go back to this one. Okay, but I usually recommend to use the TPC of your final mid drop of 9.38, which is you interpolate the TPC and you will get the 35.80 of TPC as your final mid drop. Okay, this is what I usually use instead of your TPC of 955, which is 35.46. So I use this one. Okay, so if I use this one, that will be K8, that is sink H times H12. So I use 3533. That will be H3 or M3. So I use this, change this to M3. M3 times 100. Press enter. The recommended cargo to load is 609.5. Okay. Again, click this one. The formula sinkage formula is a weight equals sinkage times TPC times 100. Okay, that will be the formula. So I go back to the program. Sinkage times TPC times 100 is your weight. So sinkage is 0.17, which is K and 8. Okay, times TPC of, I use this one, M3 and times 100, and the value would be negative 0.0954. So that would be exactly as 0.110. Okay, if I use this one, okay, for example, we use this one to be accurate, negative 609.54, for example, for the sake of computation. Now take note that your drop will be 9.377 and your sinkage is, or rise is 1.73. This is the same with your drop here. Hydrostatic 9.377. Okay, and your what you got here is 9.377. Okay, so we'll just make this negative 610. Okay, so negative 610 says here, then go to 3 moles to 610 to be, you're going to discharge in hole number 1 and number 4, and you have even keel, arrival in, for example, you want to arrive in even keel, and your drop to take out cargo in hole number 1 of 248. Okay, 248. That is 248, and number 4 will be 362. 362, and your final departure arrival drop will be 938, 938, 0 trim, and 9.377. And for number 6, from the later part of this program, which is this one, okay, take note that number 1 here is 348, 1 is 348, number 4 is 362, 4 is 362, you have your LCG, and your arrival drop will be forward is 938, up will be 938, your trim is 0, and main drop is 378, and you have a 0 trim. Okay, so we go to trim table. Yung trim table is, you have your initial of 955 or departure in load port. Okay. And this will be your number 1. You discharge of 348. Number 4, you discharge of 362. Put in your forward and up correction in hold number 1. And also forward and up correction in hold number 4. After you fill that up, your departure drop will be even kill of 938. 0 trim and even kill and 0 deflection. Okay. It's also the same time, the same with this one. You discharge first in hold number 4 of 362. This will be your initial drop. After you discharge number 4, you discharge number 1 of 248. And your final drop forward will be 938. Up will be 938. 0 trim, main will be 9.38 and 0 deflection. Then you go to your form 7, which is this one, but I use this extra or the substitute. So your drop, your density, for example, departure in load port and arrival in discharge port is the same density, 1.025. Your initial drop, departure at load port is 955, and your discharge in number 1 of 248, which is 248, and number 7 will be negative 362. Negative 362 and hold number 4, and your arrival at port will be this one. Okay, almost even kill. Before I get this, again, I will take note of this one, guys. But I have the different. Okay, so use this one. So this is almost a 610, which is the same to the initial problem of weight of 610. Okay, instead of using the consumption of bunkers or press water or whatever, I use the cargo. I use the cargo in hold number 1. Hold number 1 and number 2. But still, this is just a what you say. This is just a confirmation. If you use the weight of 610 or discharge 610, you will get the same results of drop of 9.38 forward and 9.38 up. You have 0 trim and main will be 9.38. Okay. So it's just a matter of how you use the program. You can discharge cargo amounting to 610, but you can still arrive with this drop forward of 9.38 forward and up of 9.38 up, 0 trim and main of 9.7. But in this case, the problem, he says he just bunkers are on all others. Consumptions are calculated as 610, meaning bunkers, the fuel oil, diesel oil, and press water. But in the other case, in the program, I use the cargo. So you can see the difference, but the arrival drop is almost the same of 9.337 and here 9.337. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you had an idea of what's going to use this program. So there you have two options: to use the bunker or to use the cargo itself. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.